How much KRG is worth?
$400 million.
Oh! Eti tajiri. Mimi ndio naitwa Ringtone Apoko.
Now, welcome back to BTG News. Now, can we talk about KRG the Don, whom a few days ago during Dr. Ufweneke's show on TV47, he came to reveal that he is worth over 5 billion Kenyan money. Now, did you watch that clip? If not, it's right here, enjoy.
What is your net worth? Jibu lako ni nini?
Saizi naona kama naingia kama 5 billion sahi. I'm approaching 5 billion.
Ati kama?
I'm approaching 5 billion.
B. Hey, usitu stress mapema.
What am I doing with my life?
No. Tulia utapata mzee. Si pesa kwa hii dunia haijaenda mahali.
Money dollars.
Kenya shillings.
5 billion Kenya shillings.
Yeah.
That is how much KRG is worth.
Yeah, $400 million.
When did you make your first million?
2008. I was 17.
Ukiulizwa story ya net worth, vile tunauliza Odiero, wewe ujirank wapi?
Mimi niko huko na mse Mdavadi tukicheza huko mbele. Tunatafuta huko mati sasa.
Uko CS standard.
Tuko hapo kwa B tunaenda kutafuta T sasa mahali ziko.
And now Kenyans went wild on KRG the Don, with many coming through to criticize him, saying that wealthy people do not go out there announcing their wealth unless they are running for a public office. Say, for example, like cabinet secretaries, whom some of them lie, you feel me? But KRG, they don't come in through to say that he's worth over 5 billion, while Kenyans were saying Nikipindi too. And among them is the likes of Ringtone Apoko, who came and reacted to KRG the Don, saying that he's wealthy. Where Ringtone Apoko, through his Instagram page, he said, when you talk about wealthy people, he's one of the wealthiest. He is saying that the likes of KRG the Don should stop misusing the word wealthy, you feel me? Anyways, here is what Ringtone Apoko came to and said in a video that he captioned, "Dear KRG the Don," and here's the video that he shared. Enjoy.
Mimi naitwa Ringtone Apoko. Ukisikia watu wanatumia hiyo jina tajiri, angalia kama ni relatives wangu. Juu hiyo jina ni ya familia yetu, tunaitwa matajiri. So baba yangu ni tajiri sana, ule babangu wako mbinguni, hata kama huyu baba wa duniani sikuona. So tafadhali msimisuse jina ya baba yangu eti tajiri. Mimi ndio naitwa Ringtone Apoko. Mbarikiwe.
Now, Ringtone aside, what do you guys think about KRG the Don coming through to say that he's worth 5 billion? Well, is it even making sense? Tell us down in the comments section. Subscribe if you're new. Follow me on Instagram, bliska.ke and Kama K. I'll see you guys in the next one.